Hey everybody, today on Henry's How-Tos, I'm going to show you how to make Lebanese Maghmour. Let's get straight into it. Alright, so I'll be doing my recipe based on 3 medium-sized eggplants. Now you can use 2 large ones if you prefer, or 4 even smaller ones. So first thing we need to do is peel these. So, very simple. Alright guys, so once you've peeled them, all we're going to do is start to cube these. So we'll cut lengthways first, then through the middle again. And we basically want to make cubes like that. So it's roughly about 1–1.5 centimeters around. Now you can do them smaller if you prefer, that's up to you. Just like so. So let's move on to our stove now. Alright guys, so just into a pan on high heat, I've put about 1 centimeter of sunflower oil. Now you can use canola oil or even olive oil if you like. And all we're going to do is place our eggplant into it and carefully fry it. Now you may need to do this in 2 or 3 batches. So basically we want to move it around, make sure it's frying all over. This should take roughly around 5 minutes. Alternatively, you can put this into the oven for around 20 minutes at about 180 degrees. That's just up to you, but the fried way does taste better. Alright guys, so after about 5 minutes, this is the result we want. They want to be nice and golden brown, but most importantly, they should have softened up. And that's what we want. So what we're going to do is transfer this into a bowl, and then we can cook the next batch. Alright guys, so next we'll just bring across 1 brown onion, and all we're going to do with our onion is finely dice it. Now we're going to use the whole onion for this as well. Alright guys, so next just into a small pot on a medium heat, I've just added 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and to this we're going to add our onions straight in. And we just want to fry this until it's nice golden brown and soft. Alright, next we're going to add about 4 to 5 crushed garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of dried mint, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and we'll just mix these together. So next I'm going to add in 1 cup of cold water, 2 cans of chickpeas. Now these are 2 400 gram cans, 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. Once again, these are 400 gram cans. And I'm also going to add in about 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. So what we'll do now is mix this all together. Just like so. And at this stage we'll add in our eggplant. And we're going to mix that together as well. Alright guys, so at this stage all we need to do is put a lid on our pot like so. We're going to cook this on a low to medium heat for around 20 to 25 minutes. Alright guys, so we're at the 25-minute mark now. I left mine a bit longer just so it thickens up a little. Now this is up to you. If you prefer it soupy, obviously you can stop it beforehand. But if you want it to get thick a little like this, then leave it just a little bit longer. And that's ready to be served. Alright, and there we have it guys. So I've just served that up with some Lebanese bread on the side. Now this goes perfectly on its own, or with rice, or with bread. Now the beauty of bread is you can actually pick it up like that, and you can actually scrape all the sauce as you can see. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom, and I'll see you all next time.